Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Horizon's ZEN token. All right guys, so if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then as always, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading, pretty much anything crypto related on a daily basis. So if you guys are into that sort of thing, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow, especially since I'm going to be continuing to grow more and more long term anyway. So you might as well. All right, guys, so for those of you who are new to this channel, I do a lot of long-term price predictions simply because I'm a long-term holder. I've been holding on to various altcoins for about 5 years now, and I continue to add more to them as time goes on. And the way that I do it is by figuring out where I personally think the price is going to go long-term. Now, guys, everybody has a different method for finding where they think the price is going to go. This is me just simply sharing my own opinions. That's all it is. Whether you agree with it or not, hey, that's up to you. That's not up to me, whatever. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I do this today. Now, when I'm talking long-term here, you guys, I'm not talking, holding on to the coin for 6 to 12 months, okay? I'm holding on to it minimum of 3 years, maybe 5 years, maybe even 7 years. I mean, who knows? I've got positions I've been holding on to for about 5 years already. I don't plan to sell anytime soon at all, so it's probably going to be 7 to 10 years before I end up selling anything, to be honest with you. And that's where the real money is at, when you just buy and hold for the absolute long term, you guys. So here's what I'm going to do today. I don't use technical analysis for long-term predictions because technical analysis really isn't going to tell you like an overall number. It's going to tell you an overall direction, obviously up or down, but it's not going to give you like an actual number of where you think the price could actually go. So I'll show you how I do it today. It's pretty simple. It's got a lot to do with the market cap and whatnot. So I'll show you what I'm talking about here in a minute. So guys, Horizon is currently ranked, or ZEN token is currently ranked 131 on CoinMarketCap, currently trading for $40.70 with a market cap of 490 million, with a MEXC supply of the same as Bitcoin's supply, which is 21 million, and a circulating supply of a little over 50% of that at 12.05 million tokens. So let's see what the all-time high was. So the all-time high for this coin is currently $168.58 or 15 cents. So $168.15, and we're going to go ahead and multiply that by the current circulating supply, you guys. So we will take 12.055637. All right, so it probably had a market cap of around maybe $2 billion at one point in time, or a little below it probably. Actually, it was probably a little bit below it, to be honest with you, because the circulating supply was probably a little bit less than where it's at right now. I could be wrong, though. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, long term here, I personally believe that this coin, or this coin has the potential to easily go to a market cap level of $5 billion at some point in time in the long term, okay, you guys? Now, this is where a lot of people, I end up pissing a lot of people off. They're always like, oh my God, he's, oh my God, $5 billion market cap. That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. That's because you're short-sighted, okay? And I don't make these videos for short-sighted people, okay? This is for people who think long-term, okay? Long-term about things, not short-term, okay? You got to have patience, people. So we're going to see and figure out what the price would be if it went up to $5 billion at some point in time, okay? So let's see what this comes out to, all right, guys? So obviously, for the math that I'm going to do, I'm not going to be using the current circulating supply because it's not going to be that in 5 to 7 years from now. It's probably going to be closer to not 5 to 7 years from now, but whenever the market cap goes up, to that 5 billion mark someday. And you know what? Actually, for the sake of this video, just to be on the safe rather than sorry side, I'm actually going to go up to 4 billion, not 5 billion. All right. Just because I'd rather be safe rather than sorry. So yeah, let's use, for the number I'm going to use, guys, I'm going to use 15 billion or 15 million tokens. Okay. So I'll use 15 million tokens. So 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's 15 million? 1,000 million. Okay, that's 15 million. All right, so we'll use 15 million just because it's a simple, easy number to use. Actually, you know what? We're going to go ahead and go with 16 million. All right, just be safe rather than sorry. And we're going to go ahead and start multiplying numbers and see what we come up with. So obviously, doubling 168.15 would be about, would be right around about the number that we're looking for, but maybe a little less than that. So we'll take 168 times 2 and then subtract a little bit from it and see if that's what it comes out to. So 168 times 2 would be 300 and I'm so bad at math. 300 and let's see, 168 plus 168. This is embarrassing. I can't believe I can't figure this out, you guys. This is embarrassing. Oh, I got a calculator in front of me. Duh. Okay, so we'll take 168 times 2. Sorry, not divide. 168 times 2. Oh my god. All right, we got 336. All right, so obviously not 336. We'll try $300, okay? So we are going to take 16 million, and we are going to multiply it by $330. $330. That's still higher than where we want to be at 5.2. Okay, so that's way higher than where we want to be. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to try I think I was going to try $300. Yeah, so $300. So $300 times 15 or 16 million. And we are come out with $4.8 billion. Now, obviously, like I said, you guys, I don't want to go as high as 5 billion because I want to be safe rather than sorry. So I'm only going to go up to 4 billion. So we're going to actually go a little bit lower than that. So we'll try 275 next. So 275 times 16 million. Now, guys, this is the way that I do things to figure out my long-term price predictions. I do this all the time, okay, because I like to try to figure out where I'm going to put my money next or where I'm going to invest my money in next. Like I said, I've got multiple positions in all kinds of different altcoins, and that I've just been growing long-term. So this is usually what I do, and the only difference is I'm filming myself doing it this time. So, all right, guys, so we'll try 275 with 16 million. It'll come out to 4.4. Okay, so a little bit lower than that too. So next we'll try 250, all right? So we'll try 250, multiply that by 16 million, and we come out with 4. Okay, that's the number we're looking for, you guys. So $250. So for the sake of this video, my long-term price prediction for ZEN token is going to be $250, okay? Now that is that's going to be a pretty darn good return on investment compared to where it's at right now. I can already tell this is going to be a good one. So let's see what would happen if you were to put usually when I buy into new altcoins, you guys, I usually try to start with at least $10,000 with a new altcoin position if the capital is available. So we will take $10,000 and we will go ahead and divide that by $40.71. 40.17. All right, and we've got 248.9 coins, okay? So 248.9 coins, and then we are going to go ahead and multiply that by 250. We're going to come out with $62,000, you guys. So let's say it took 4 years for it to get to a market cap level of that, okay? You know, within 4 years, you just pretty much made $52,000, or you just made about $52,000 in profit, okay? It's really off of a $10,000 investment. That's really not bad, you guys, honestly. And especially if you're just buying and holding long term, I mean, that's really not bad at all. And the reason why is because there's realistically no risk involved whatsoever. You're just buying and holding onto the thing. I mean, literally, that's all you're doing. So honestly, that's really not a bad return on your investment. And the key thing here to remember, you guys, is it could end up going a lot higher than that. Okay, it could go a lot higher than 250, and you could have a much higher profit margin than this right here. You know, this is just me looking at it from a safe, but being safe rather than sorry side of things. I already know for 100% fact that I truly believe that it's going to go to at least 250 at some point in time. So I'm not worried about it whatsoever. To me, that's a solid profit potential right there. And that's what this is all about, making profit for the long term and continuing to make more and more for the long term. So guys, overall, my long-term price prediction for ZEN token is going to be $250. Okay, guys? So that pretty much does it, though. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me here on Twitter. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.